Hello everyone, welcome to d.artflair. Today's tutorial is about pebble calligraphy. For this you require a pebble and any two acrylic colors. Starting by applying acrylic color all over the pebble. It's entirely up to you how you do it. So here's the tip number 1. You can do one side first, then let it dry before doing the other side. After your pebble get completely dried up, you can begin with calligraphy. As here, I have chosen the word believe to write on my pebble. So here's the tip number 2. You can write the word on the paper first before attempting directly on the pebble. Then take the thin brush you have and try to copy the exact onto the pebble. Though the surface may be rough, you can add a little bit of water so that your brush works smooth. Once you are done, you can darken the word. Here's the tip number 3. While darkening, if you feel you are messed up somewhere, not to worry. You can undo the extra color by applying the base color over it. The base color, which is green at the moment. Lastly, you can add any design if you feel like. And yes, you can write with any permanent marker if you are not comfortable with acrylics. So, hope you find this tutorial helpful and thank you so much for watching my videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye.